Hey everyone, it's your man Casey. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into the world of vlogging. Ever wanted to share your story with the world? Vlogging is your answer. It's an incredible way to express yourself and let your voice be heard. It's like having a conversation with millions right from your bedroom. Imagine turning your everyday moments into something that can inspire and entertain others. No fancy studios, just you, your camera, and your passion. You don't need expensive gear to start, just a simple camera and a story to tell. It's about connecting, inspiring, and entertaining. Your unique perspective can touch lives and create a community of like-minded individuals. So, what are you waiting for? Vlogging is huge. It's a platform where you can be yourself and share your journey with the world. It's how we connect now. In this digital age, vlogs are a powerful way to build relationships and engage with your audience. People want real, unfiltered stories. They crave authenticity and genuine experiences that they can relate to. They're tired of fake and staged stuff. The world is moving towards realness, and vlogging is at the forefront of this movement. They want to see the real you. Share your trips, your cooking disasters, your daily routines, and everything in between. Your dog doing funny things, the possibilities are endless. So grab your camera, start recording, and let the world see your story unfold. Starting out can be tough. You're figuring out your style, your audience. It takes time to build a following. Don't get discouraged if your first few videos don't go viral. Keep going. Finding your niche is key. What are you passionate about? What makes you, you? Once you find it, stick with it. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Be yourself, and the right people will find you. What's your thing? Gaming, makeup, travel? Pick something you love. Your passion will shine through and people will connect with that. Authenticity is key. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different things, see what works. Listen to your viewers. What do they want to see more of? Interact with them. Build that community. You don't need a Hollywood studio. Start simple. Your phone is your friend. Most smartphones shoot amazing video these days. Good lighting is key. Natural light is best. As you grow, invest in better gear. A decent microphone makes a world of difference. A tripod keeps things steady. Don't go overboard though. Content is king, not equipment. Section 5, lights, camera, action, filming tips. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Be yourself, be natural. People connect with authenticity, and keep it snappy. Attention spans are short. Get to the point. Plan your shots, but don't be afraid to improvise. The beauty of vlogging is its spontaneity. Have fun with it. If you're enjoying yourself, your viewers will too. Section 6, editing magic, polishing your masterpiece. Editing can make or break your vlog. It's where you bring everything together. Learn the basics. Cut out the fluff. Add some music, maybe some text on screen. There are tons of free editing apps out there. Experiment, find what works for you. The goal is to tell a story, to keep people engaged. Keep practicing, you'll get better over time. Section 7, consistency is key. Keep the content flowing. You gotta be consistent. Consistency is the backbone of any successful content strategy. Without it, your audience may lose interest. Upload regularly, whether it's once a week or 3 times a week. Find a rhythm that works for you and your audience. Regular uploads keep your content fresh and your viewers engaged. Set a schedule and stick to it. Use tools like planners or digital reminders to help you stay on track. Consistency builds trust with your audience. Your viewers will come to expect it. They will look forward to your content and become loyal followers. Positive feedback will start to roll in as you maintain your schedule. Don't get discouraged if you miss a day or two. Life happens. It's important to take breaks when needed. Your mental health is just as important as your content. Just get back on track as soon as you can. Your audience will understand. The key is to not let a small setback turn into a habit. Building a following takes time and effort. Stay dedicated. Celebrate your milestones no matter how small. Each step forward is progress. Keep pushing forward and your hard work will pay off. Section 8, Michelle Phan, from makeup tutorials to a global brand. Ever heard of Michelle Phan? She's a name that resonates with millions around the world. She started in her bedroom making makeup tutorials with just a simple camera and a lot of passion. Now she's a global beauty icon, attending red carpet events and beauty conventions. She was passionate, consistent, and connected deeply with her audience, always listening to their needs and feedback. She saw a need in the beauty industry and filled it with innovative ideas and products. She taught people how to apply makeup, but more importantly, She empowered them to feel confident in their own skin. She showed them that they could be beautiful, confident, and achieve their dreams no matter where they started. Section 9. Start your YouTube adventure. So, what are you waiting for? You have a voice, a story to tell. Share it with the world. You never know who you might inspire. Grab your camera, hit record, and start creating. The world is waiting to hear from you. Be bold, be creative, be yourself. Your YouTube journey starts now.